What up, y'all? Gonna put this cold air intake on the 5.3 today, 02. Putting it all together real quick. Then we're gonna go out there and put it on the car. It's for a 02 Tahoe. Escalade, Silverado, Yukons. So, yeah, that's it right there. Cheap eBay intake we're gonna put on. And I'll come back live once I get out there. All right, we out here, y'all. Gonna take your mass airflow sensor off. Take your air filter off. It's the air filter that was in there. In this piece, sitting right here. By the way, these little screws don't come out. See that? They don't come out, so don't be pressed if they don't. But I'm gonna get this out next. This should just pop straight out. See how much it's moving. Then I gotta get that bolt right there off. Take it off the front of the intake, and we're gonna start bolting the new one up. And I'll be back to y'all in the short. There you go, y'all. It wasn't too hard. Just had to put these two plastic pieces together. I still gotta put the other plastic piece. Right here, you put it on that edge. Just slide it up there and mash it down. But I'll get that later. It was pretty decent overall. Like right there. Cheap eBay intake. I think the intake was $53 if I'm not mistaken. I'm gonna put it on the video once I put the video together. Yeah. So there she goes. She in there. See what it sounds like. Start it up for y'all. Hold on. She sound way better with that intake on. She sound way better. She go right there. Easy upgrade for the 5.3. Easy upgrade for the 5.3. Make it sound way better. For the LEDs. But yeah, easy upgrade for the 5.3. Make it sound way better. I ain't really got to get into it yet because y'all see out here is kind of nasty today, so I ain't messed with it yet. But yeah, do that, man. It sounds pretty good. I like it, so I give it a decent upgrade. I'm about to do these Isla arm and all this stuff up here next, so yeah, I'll get back to y'all. Hey y'all, what up? I just wanted to come back for a second and say it does give you that extra pull. It's throwing me back in the seat harder and everything, but it most definitely gives you the extra horsepower that you looking for when you buy it. So it's well worth the money. It was $55. I'm gonna leave a link on my video and you could go there to purchase it, but trust me when I say it does give you the power that you're looking for once you install it. Y'all be easy, have a good one.